If you are a business owner, this is for you. My name is Omolola. I'm the data literacy queen. Data literacy is your ability to read and write data. What does that mean? To read and write data is to be able to identify what is data, write it, and also read it for use in whatever you do. So let's bring that home a little more. What is data? Data is facts. Data is information about activities or people or events or places or things. All right? Data describes, it answers the question what, who, where, when, how much. It will answer questions, qualitative questions and quantitative. What do I mean by qualitative? Qualitative are things that describe, quantitative are things that tell you the measurements, the amount of things. Okay? So now, you know what data is about. The question is, what you do, can you translate it to data? So you have a business. You sell things or you produce things to sell. Can you translate what happens in your business to data? This is a very important question. Are you even tracking what happens in your business? Because see, your ability to translate what you do to data depends on your ability to track. If you are tracking, do you have any record of all the things you bought in your business last week? Do you have any record of all that you produced? Do you have records of all that you packaged? Do you have records of all that you delivered? Now, you need to have these records. And what do I mean by records? The question of when, date and time that you delivered, for example. What you delivered. The quantity of what you delivered. The value of what you delivered. The who that you delivered to. Or the who that delivered for you to that person. You see, the amount of details you have determines how much information you would be able to get out of whatever record you are keeping. So if you keep record that is incomplete, you would have incomplete details. That's why data is not good if it is not true. That is, if I read any kind of data about anything, any place, any event, any business, it should represent the reality of the business. This is why data is so important for businesses in 2025. 2025 is not the year that you should run any kind of business without some form of data literacy. You should be able to read, write, and understand data. So, where are you today? Do you understand the data of what you do? Can you present what you do in form of data? So did you find today's video useful? Or you have questions? Would love to hear from you. Put your feedback in the comment section.